my name is Rohini and I'm a rising junior at Prospect High School. For my second milestone, I decided to showcase 4 flex sensors and servos working smoothly, as well as a fully assembled 3D printed hand. The difference between last milestone and this milestone was, of course, that I have 2 more flex sensors and servos working smoothly. The reason I decided to have this as my milestone was because it took me about 4 days of troubleshooting to get all 4 servos to work properly. My main problem was providing enough power to have all these servos run. And I eventually settled on powering my 4 flex sensors using my Arduino, and instead using an external power source, a 9-volt battery here, to power my servos. I also experienced a couple challenges building my 3D robotic hand, the main one being the orientation of the screws and nuts while I was assembling it. Took me a couple tries, but I eventually got it done. For my next milestone, I plan on soldering all my electrical components to a PCB and sewing my flex sensors and my PCB to my glove. And now I will demo my setup so far. Thank you.